welcome back to my channel, and you already know it's All Natural Candice here with another video. So I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. As you can see, my brows are bushy and all of those things, so I'm using the pencil 2-in-1. You can use absolutely any brow pencil, it really doesn't matter. Once it is dark brown, I recommend dark brown. Now guys, I'm going to be using the Revlon Color Stay brow pencil with a spoolie on it. I also have another spoolie which is from Klean color. Yes guys, so this is the angled brush from Klean color also, and it is very affordable. All of these products are affordable. Next, I have a dollar store brush that I use as my blending brush for my brows. Also my concealer to clean up my brows. So that's basically all you'll need for your brow tutorial. Let's get straight into the video. As you can see, the Revlon brow pencil and spoolie was not open. It's the first time I'm using it, so I just opened it. However, I'm not going to be using the pencil on it. I'm going to be using my brow pencil that I already have. I'm just going to be using the spoolie from it, guys. I just want to try it out. I haven't used it before, as you can see, and it's okay. So guys, I'm using the spoolie to brush my brows in the direction that I want them. So you're just brushing your brows in the direction that you want it to go, and that's basically it for the spoolie. So guys, one thing you need to know is that to make sure your pencil is always sharp, guys. Make sure that your pencil is always sharp, because if it is not sharp, your eyebrows are not going to look good, and I know you want your eyebrows to look damn good, so why not get them pencil sharpened? So guys, I don't start my eyebrow at the starting. I don't start drawing my line at the starting. I start drawing it about a quarter way. Yes, I try to do one straight line, and you should draw your eyebrow in whatever way it is shaped. I draw it how I want it. As you can see, my eyebrow isn't shaped any at all, so I am making the best out of it. And also draw a line at the top, and then I start to fill in my brows. At this point, I'm going to be using my spoolie to just brush up my brow hairs once again, so that everything can blend out and, you know, look like one. So that's what I'm basically doing right now. As you can see, I haven't touched the top part of my brows because I want it to look as natural as possible. So now I'm just doing the same thing to the other brow, so you can look once again and learn if you did not catch it the first time. As you can see, my eyebrows are shaped differently. One have more hair than the other, and they're just shaped differently. So when I get them together, I really put out a lot of work. So now guys, I'm using the Eyebrow Pencil concealer in the shade Chestnut. It was finishing, so I had to open the concealer and pour it on my hands. As you can see, I'm going to be using my amber brush and put some on it and just start cleaning up my brows. As said before, I'm going to be putting the concealer on the angled brush and start cleaning up my brows. That is the main purpose of the concealer, to make your brows look very sharp, guys, because you know after you finish with the pencil you have some little areas that need to fix, so the concealer will do all that work. So guys, you don't want to have shaky hands. I really don't start from the start of my brow. I take my time and move along my brow bone, guys, as you can see, and try and get it as neat as possible, as neat, as clean as possible. If there is hairs that is out, you put more concealer on it to cover it up, and you just draw down your concealer when you're finished, and that's basically it. But practice becomes perfect. I'm not going to tell you you're going to get it on your first try, but practice becomes perfect. So if you want the perfect brows, just continue doing what you're doing, and then Sue can talk to you. So guys, I'm not going to speed it up, mainly because I want you to see what I'm doing and learn quick. So just enjoy the video and learn as you continue watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. One more thing, guys, something that I always do is I raise my brows to see if, when I raise my brows, if it looks the same as when my brows is normal. So that's one thing I do. I don't know if it's a trick or anything, but I think that's good. So now I'm at the top of my brows. What I normally do, I don't start at the top of my brows. I wipe off the concealer on my forehead basically and work my way down, so that a lot of concealer is not on the top of my brow. And I take my time because you can't have shady hands, and you need to make sure that this is straight and this is neat.
I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody to love me like that. Tell me, what do you feel? Is it something inside of you that wants to be free? I said,
just look at my brow, guys. Isn't it looking beautiful?
life is unpredictable. Can you be the one that takes me to dinner and wine and kisses me every night?
I'm just using my blending brush now to blend out the concealer, and that's basically it for your brows. Make sure that you blend out the concealer. If you're using the same color at the top and the bottom, you can use a lighter shade at the bottom and a darker shade at the top, so that it is easier to blend with your foundation if you're doing a full face or a makeup look and not just an eyebrow. So I'm just adding some more color to the second brow, guys. Please remember to like this video, guys. Remember to like this video, subscribe if you want to see more from All Natural Candice, and guys, share this video with your friends. Thank you.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't.
So guys, my brows are basically finished. Tell me if you like them. You can do your brows like this and just start applying your foundation or whatever step you do. But yes guys, this is it for now. I was watching some tutorials and this one looked very good, like this idea from Sammy J to wipe off the top part of your brow. So guys, what I normally do is use a wipes and wipe off the top part of my brow so it can look natural guys, because if I'm just wearing my eyebrows, these look fake to me. I don't know about you, but I use this wipes and just wipe off the top part of my brows, you know, so that it looks very natural and nice. Like I saw my brow them, so me burn my brow them, and nobody can tell me send it to me burn my brow them. Righty, yes. So that's what I do, and I am officially finished. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you can be the first to come over to my channel whenever I upload a new video guys.
We